How to get dark mode on your Snapchat in Android. First of all, launch your Snapchat app. Log into your account. Navigate to Profile at top left corner of your screen. Tap gear icon at top right corner and scroll down. Look for the option of Appearance or simply App Appearance. Select that. And here currently it has been set to match system option. So in order to enable or get dark mode on Snapchat in Android, tap always dark and tap restart now because switching themes means we will need to start or restart the app. So when you proceed towards the Bitmoji at top left corner of your screen, you can easily see that we have successfully get dark mode on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.